It doesn't even matter what I keep anymore, it just gets taken. And this has been going on for a while, so I've decided to fight back using the power of science. Well, I tried other options. Turns out the thief was creative and also smart. I need to make something that would make my enemy go forth and sin no more. Something loud and powerful that would strike fear into his or her heart. I need to make a taser. Unfortunately for my enemy, I have an arc, a battery, and then this motion detector stuff. Well, I don't really know how it works. And I plan on putting everything together to make my doomsday weapon of destruction. Ha 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 ha. So I started with making a sketch of what I wanted it to look like. If you're wondering why I decided to use emotion detector stuff, well, I wanted it to work only when it takes movement around it. And that's besides it does work. So I attached a voltmeter to it. And it was kind of tricky to connect everything together, but I eventually did, and yes, it works.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life,
I just finished placing everything together, and this is what it looks like.
Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours.
I don't know if it's actually going to work, but it's been an adventure for Mr. Slippery Fingers, but it all ends today. It is time to catch a thief. I've just placed the bait in the fridge, and I hope it doesn't take that long before the thief gets shocked. I mean, before the thief reviews him or herself. See, hear that? This will definitely come as a surprise. It was to me, but the thief was no other person than my 5-year-old niece. And I believe she won't go into the fridge anytime soon. She did steal from me, but she also gave me the opportunity to create something new. And I'm glad I could stop the circle of missing snacks in the fridge. But there was no way she was doing this alone. She has an accomplice.